Okay, quick video of the progress on the slider project. Got all the parts in that I ordered. It's actually from an online 3D printing store. So aluminum extrusion, that's what this middle part is. These are actually just corner brackets for connecting two of these like together, like one vertically and one horizontally, but they kind of look good as legs, so I use that. This is the gantry that the camera and the and everything else, the camera, the battery. This is the motor that will take it back and forth. Just quick shot underneath. There's a shot of, this is the stepper motor, and there's the belt. The belt is actually embedded in the groove here, goes along the whole side. So when the motor turns, the whole assembly would move back and forth. So I'm actually impressed with the looks of it. It actually looks like something that I bought instead of something that I've been building. And yeah, once I finish the programming, I'll upload it into the microcontroller and put it on this thing and test it out to see if it'll move properly.